Hello, Fixing Expert family. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of Dubai's most luxurious penthouse apartments. These stunning residences offer unparalleled opulence, breathtaking views, and top-of-the-line amenities. Ready to dive into the world of high-end living? Let's get started. One Palm by Omniet. Our first stop is One Palm by Omniet. Located on the prestigious Palm Jumeirah, this penthouse boasts a contemporary design, expansive living spaces, and stunning views of the Arabian Gulf. With private pools, state-of-the-art kitchens, and bespoke interiors, One Palm offers a lifestyle of unrivaled luxury. Burj Khalifa Penthouses. Next, we're heading to the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. The penthouses here offer panoramic views of the city. Imagine waking up to the sunrise over the Arabian Gulf or watching the city lights twinkle at night. The residences at Jumeirah Living Marina Gate. Our third stop is the residences at Jumeirah Living Marina Gate. These penthouses combine modern design with traditional elegance, offering a unique blend of style and sophistication. Atlantis The Royal Residences. Next, we visit the Atlantis The Royal Residences. Situated on the Palm Jumeirah, this iconic development offers some of the most luxurious penthouses in Dubai. The Address Boulevard. Our final stop is the Address Boulevard. Located in downtown Dubai, this development offers penthouses with spectacular views of the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Fountain. There you have it, an exclusive look at some of Dubai's most lavish penthouse apartments. These residences offer the ultimate in luxury living, with breathtaking views, exquisite interiors, and world-class amenities. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive real estate insights from Fixing Expert. Until next time, dream big and live luxuriously.